Last week was pretty special. What was created and learned will earn these photographers hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, over their careers. And we're doing it all again in May, and you can come. Good morning from the last day of the Focal, not a conference. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh, it's Sam Hurd.
Very beautiful. Actually, pictures don't do it justice. It's like the Grand Canyon. You gotta be here and experience and just like, whoa. Just enjoy the splendor.
Kayaking. I want to jump in a boat.
All right, let's go. That was great.
Who am I? I'm Taylor Jackson. I'm a photographer. We came out here with a group of 60 people.
And then bring your bodies nice and close to each other.
And we shot portfolio. We learned some things, had some fun. And it's been a fun week. Sam Hurd in the wilderness.
This is great. How many frames I need?
Today, we're moving into the last day. And what that means is we go to some of the highlight locations. Here we are at Lake Louise. There's Lake Louise, there's me, and there's Lindsay. And if you're interested in coming to the next Focal, not a conference, it will be on May 2nd and 3rd.
Maui, Hawaii, not a conference, volume 2.
Maui, Hawaii. Oh yeah. One of my favorite places in the world. And again, we're going to set up all the shoots for you. You come through, you take your pictures, you build that portfolio. Whether you want to get into destination weddings, this is an incredible way to do it. Or if you just want to look amazing to your local audience and have something that no other local photographers have, come on through to Hawaii. Right, Lindsay? Okay.
And seeing the placement of the sun over time through augmented reality. Like that if you can, that's beautiful. Perfect.
It's honestly one of the best investments that you can make in yourself as a photographer for your future success, not only from a learning perspective, but also from a portfolio building perspective in a place that you don't live, which you already know how valuable it is.
Oh, it's perfect. We are live in Banff and had a great experience. It's my first time in a workshop. My name is Johnny Wilson from First Class Pictures in Montreal. Guys, it's amazing. If you're a photographer, join a workshop. I'm here with Taylor Jackson. I love you guys, man. I love his YouTube channel. It's the best.
If you're interested, head on over to the link in the description below and reserve your seat for next year's conference next May 2nd and 3rd, 2023. And come and you get to take some pictures, meet some people, do some fun things. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you.